Platforms and Services is a diversified portfolio. They do a lot of different things. For ship repair in general,
we make sure that their ships are safe when they sail out to keep us safe. In the shipyard, you'll see massive ships out of water sitting on wooden blocks being worked on, torn apart in pieces sometimes.
Everybody here believes in what they do, and it's a culture and a group of people that are regular civilians to your everyday veteran.
I'm not the one wearing the fatigues, but I take so much pride in the fact that I'm playing such a small part in something that defends my freedoms, and knowing that I'm playing in that, it's huge for me. BAE Systems is a very fun place to work. We're a small community here, and we just get along great. It's really cool to look out your office window and see some of these huge ships sitting there and knowing that you had a part to play in that.
If you came into the shipyard, you would see different people with different trades. You have welders welding, you have electricians doing their job, you have riggers operating crane lifts.
BAE is a real safe place to work at. Cutting things, burning things, welding things. Just got to make sure we look out for each other at all times and follow the rules and procedures.
Safety, it's key. This is an industrial environment, and so you have to always make sure that you're wearing your hard hat. Your safety glasses are important, and always having your steel toes on.
Here it's really important that all crafts are working together and communicating so we know what is happening and what is not happening.
We work in team. We support one to the other one. We not left, nobody behind. If you don't know something, the other person behind you can teach you how to do it.
I love my supervisor. I came in here with no experience at all. He started me out slow, and then as I started to progress, they gave me bigger jobs and bigger jobs and bigger jobs. They trusted me to move up. They're always there if you got a question for them or to help you out.
at BAE Systems, if you're willing to put in the effort, there are opportunities out there.
Everybody has a voice. No matter who you are, we welcome the idea of new talent coming, new employees, having your voice, having your opinions. Doesn't matter how long you've been here. We hope that if you come, you stay. For that reason, I think everybody should hit the apply button.